Yusuf from Tunisia.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
So Sheikh, my father took my sister to study, but she doesn't wear the hijab. And he asked me to drive her home because he's watching a football match. I asked him if I will be taking her back instead of my mother, who doesn't also wear the hijab, and he said yes, but I don't feel he's truthful. Am I sinful if I take her back home, or is it assistance in sin?
This is something that you have to weigh the pros and cons, ya Yusuf, in the sense that you live under his roof, you drive his car, you eat his food. If you say no, would that lead him to kick you out of the house? A big possibility. Would that help in your da'wah? I don't know. Would that lead to her taking a cab or riding with a boyfriend from school or doing something similar to that? You have to weigh the pros and cons. The general concept is you must not assist on haram unless this haram, if you don't do it, would lead to more haram that is more harmful. So you are committing the lesser of the two evils. But generally speaking, no. You have to make it clear that I cannot assist on such sin where my sister, my mother, my wife goes out with me not wearing the hijab. I'm a practicing Muslim. And this is what they're doing is sinful. I ask them not to do this, but they're not listening. How would I feel when my brothers from the masjid or from the school see me with someone who is like this? I'll be ashamed. In addition to the sin that they're committing and making me assist them on it. But you have to weigh the pros and cons. Sam from the UK.
I am Malik from the US. You wanted to ask me a question. You wanted to ask me a question?
You give salam first?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa
you wanted to ask me a question, Malik USA?
Who are you, Sam?
No, I'm Malik.
What was your question?
You said that I wanted to say Abu Hanifa, but I accidentally said Abu Huraira. Abu Hanifa said that.
Okay, so, about the wali. Very good. So what are you going to say to the Prophet ﷺ?
That I follow the Hanafi scholars.
Okay, then go with them on the Day of Judgment and don't go with the Prophet ﷺ. Is this what you want?
No, but the Hanafi scholars will be my guardian.
And the Prophet would be what? Your enemy?
No, I mean like you say like every person needs to follow one scholar, and I follow.
No. Every Muslim has to follow the Quran and the Sunnah. Allah says in the Quran. Do you follow the Quran, by the way, or the Hanafi schools?
Yes, I recite the Quran and I.
Very good. Very good. Allah says in the Quran, وَيَوْمَ يُنَادِيهِمْ فَيَقُولُ مَاذَا أَجَبْتُمُ الْمُرْسَلِينَ. On the Day of Judgment, Allah will call them and say, what did you respond to the messengers? What are you going to say? I followed Abu Hanifa. Is that acceptable in your opinion?
In my madhab, yes.
Then, good luck, akhi. I'm not going to argue with you. The best of luck. I personally would follow the Prophet ﷺ and the companions. I don't care about anybody else.